Okay. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a resource allocation problem template. And what I'm going to do is follow the example from figure 3.4 from the book, where we have activities and we have unit profit and I will just type in some random number for my value there. This is the resource used per unit of activity. Resource used per unit of activity. This is resource 1, resource 2. This is resources used. And this is resources available. And again, we'll put in some random numbers here. And this is level of activity. Let's see, let's go ahead and put here level of activity here. I don't know if we need anything here. And what is this? Level of activity. Activity constraint. Constraint on activity. That'll work. And this cell is total profit. So we're maximizing that. Maximizing that. Now, let me come in here and change these names. Let me just wipe these out. Okay, so first one is unit profit, activity profit. And this is going to be right here. Let me do a new one here. Resources used is here. Nice. Actually found it. And we'll do resources available. And we'll do level of activity. And we'll do total profit. And I think that's it. What's the, let's see, resource 1 per unit. Is that, do I need that? C8 cost per ad through E9. Cost per ad. Oh, something else. Let's do a new one and we'll do resource 1 per activity. And then resource 2 per activity. Okay, now I think we're talking here. So let's see, how do we do this? H9, H8, H9 is resources available. F8 and F9 is resources used. Cost per ad is resource 1 per activity. Resource, let's see, no, C4. Oh, is it the whole thing? I guess it is. Okay, we can fix that. We can take out this one. Seems like mine's a little bit better, but that's all right. Resource per activity. We'll go ahead and put it in camel case. And we will select entire deal. And then we'll go like rename that. C4 is unit profit. C15 is max activity. I like that. In fact, I want to rename that too. Max activity level. Okay, so then we have C13 through E13 is level of activity. Lowercase o. Which is interesting. Just activity levels. And then H13 is total profit. And finally C13 border. And I think we're there. Activity level, activity profit. Which one's activity profit? C4. Okay, unit profit. Yeah, I like that better. Activity profit. Max activity level, resource per activity, resources available, resources used, and total profit. Resources available, make sure there's resources used, resource per activity, activity profit, max activity level, and total profit. Sweet. So now we're going to come in here and fix this. So number of ads is actually activity level. Number of ads is activity level. Nice. And this one is profit times activity level. Boom. That all looks good. Now if we set this up, maximize total profit by changing cells, activity level, resources used less than or equal to resources available, max activity level, could not find, well, it's just an example, right? I mean, it's just, yeah, maybe we'll take them out. No. Activity profit. Activity level. Let's see if this guy helps. Could not find a feasible solution. Let's just try something weird. Am I okay with that? I think I'm okay with that. Resource allocation problem. And we'll save it. Let's see, this is 478. Okay. Next, we will go to figure 3.6. And this one should be a little bit easier. We'll just take this guy as a basis. And we'll come here. Instead of a resource allocation problem, we'll do cost, benefit, trade off problem. And let's match this sheet was 190, so we'll go 190. In this case, we have unit cost. So we're going to come to activity level. We're going to edit that and we're going to call it unit cost. And let's see if we can just, oops, that's not the right one. Activity profit. Yes, no, why does it do that? Oh, I'm on the wrong one. No, it just thinks I am. We're going to do, oh nice, unit cost. And we'll select that. And that is C4. Nice. And then we will do constraints, benefit achieved per unit of activity. So benefit achieved per unit of activity. This is benefit 1, benefit 2, benefit achieved, benefit needed. Level of activity. And this one is total cost. So we're trying to minimize. Now this could also be, let me change this guy. Greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. And greater than or equal to would be a min activity level, right? Okay. So we have benefit needed. We have benefit achieved. Benefit per activity. We have unit cost, max activity level is minimum activity level, and then level of activity, and then total cost. So then we'll come in here and make these changes, or additions rather. I need to be consistent here. Is it level of activity or activity level? Level of activity is what the book says. So let's just be consistent here. And let me do, we have unit cost. So we need to do benefit needed, which is that. And then we'll do benefit achieved, which is behind my window. And we'll do a new one of benefit per activity. Which the book does this, the whole area. And we'll do another one. Min activity level. Which is this. We'll do another one. Level of activity. Which is this. Oh. Can I do that? No, should be unique. Level activity, how about that? And then total cost. Sweet. Now we can just rename the sheet. And we're good to go. Save this puppy. Now, we tried to do an example here. Resource allocation. Let's go to cost benefit trade-off. There's more than that. No. That's a mixed one. We could do part of it. So for one activity, we're going to say 1,300, 600, 500. Benefits are 1.2, 0.1, 0, 0.5, 0.2. Minimum acceptable is 5. Less than or equal to, less than or equal to. And we'll do some solver. And we're going to set the objective to minimize total cost by changing cells this, adding the constraint of this is greater than or equal to this. And we're going to do this one is greater than or equal to that one. And we're going to run it. And there's the output. That could work. I don't know. I might. I think I just want this empty. Is that terrible? I think I do. But I set it up. The solver should be adequate. And there we go. I'll do the same thing here. And here. And actually, I like the idea of zeros. And here. And we'll save that guy. And we'll call it good.